Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to build an automatic model router for Claude API. As your Claude-powered application grows, using a single model for every request becomes inefficient. Some tasks only need a fast, low-cost model like Haiku, while others benefit from Sonnet or even Opus for more advanced reasoning. An automatic model router solves this problem by evaluating each incoming request and selecting the most appropriate Claude model before sending it to the API. This approach improves performance, reduces API costs, and ensures that each task is handled by the model best suited to its complexity. In this guide, you'll install the required SDK, configure authentication, build a routing engine, implement a resilient execution dispatcher, and test the entire workflow. The first step is to open your terminal. Before building the router, install the required SDK. Run the provided command that installs the official Anthropic client package. This package allows your application to communicate with the Claude API and provides the foundation for your automatic routing system. Wait until the installation completes successfully before continuing. Next, configure authentication. Still inside your terminal, run the command that exports your API token into your active environment. This token enables your application to securely authenticate with Claude and serves as the global cloud authentication credential for every request your router processes. Verify that your authentication has been configured correctly before moving to the next stage. Once authentication is ready, it's time to build the core of your routing system. Run the provided script that creates the triage and classification core. This component is responsible for evaluating every incoming prompt before it's sent to Claude. The routing engine analyzes the input and determines its operational difficulty level. Based on the classification, the router decides which Claude model should process the request. For example, the classification logic might determine whether a request is simple, moderate, complex, highly specialized. The routing engine can also evaluate characteristics such as prompt length, coding complexity, required reasoning depth, expected response size, type of task being performed. Once the request has been classified, the router assigns it to the most appropriate Claude model. Separating this logic into its own module makes the application easier to maintain and update as your routing rules evolve. After building the classification engine, the next step is to execute those routing decisions. Return to your terminal. Run the provided script that implements the resilient execution dispatcher. This dispatcher receives the routing decision from the classification core and is responsible for sending the request to the selected Claude model. It also adds resilience to the workflow by handling situations such as temporary service interruptions, model availability issues, network failures, request retries, automatic fallback when appropriate. By separating classification from execution, your application becomes both more modular and more fault-tolerant. Finally, verify that the complete routing system is functioning correctly. Run the provided production test script. This script sends representative prompts through your router and confirms that requests are classified correctly, the appropriate Claude model is selected, authentication succeeds, responses are returned successfully, error handling behaves as expected, the routing workflow performs reliably under realistic conditions. Review the results after the test completes and refine your routing rules if necessary. It is important to understand that an automatic model router isn't simply about choosing the fastest or most powerful model. Instead, it intelligently matches each request with the model that offers the best balance of capability, speed, and cost. To summarize, building an automatic Claude model router begins by installing the official Anthropic client package and configuring your API token so your application can authenticate securely. Next, run the provided script that builds the triage and classification core, which evaluates each incoming request and assigns it an operational difficulty level before selecting the most appropriate Claude model. After that, implement the resilient execution dispatcher, which carries out the routing decision while handling retries, failures, and temporary service issues. Finally, execute the provided production test script to verify that your router correctly classifies requests, selects the right model, and performs reliably in real-world scenarios. An automatic model router is one of the most effective ways to optimize cloud-powered applications. By intelligently matching each request to Haiku, Sonnet, or Opus based on its complexity, you can reduce API costs, improve response times, increase reliability, and build scalable AI systems that make the best possible use of each Claude model. And that's how to build an automatic model router for the Claude API. By installing the official SDK, securely configuring authentication, creating a triage and classification engine, implementing a resilient execution dispatcher, and validating everything with a production test, you can build an intelligent routing system that automatically chooses the right Claude model for every request. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.